Alright, do we have all the things we need to make brownies?
Yeah. I'm gonna mix it, okay?
Okay, you can mix it. So, hello everybody. Today we're making brownies with Dori and me, Brittany. What's my name?
Mama.
Mama. Okay, so we have all the things we need. We've got our pan. We've got our bowl.
I food and I got eggs and I got oil and I got
Brownie mix.
brownie mix and this.
That's our microphone. Also important.
And this is for making coffee.
That is, oh yeah, you're right. That is for making coffee. This has our coffee in it. You're right. Okay, let's read the instructions. So the first thing we need to do is to heat the oven to 350 degrees. Okay, so let's preheat the oven to 350. The oven is heating and we'll wait for it to get preheated. But while we're waiting, we can start making the brownie mix. Okay.
I need a powder.
Yeah, it's in here. Should we open it up?
Yeah.
Okay, and here we have our chocolate powder mix. All right, Dori, you can put it in the bowl.
I'm excited, okay?
Don't eat. Okay, you can try a little bit. Okay, that's enough. All right, now let's see.
Also put it on your table.
I know. It's okay. We'll vacuum after. So we need to put the brownie mix, the water, the oil.
I want a little bit more.
Okay, a little bit more. A 1/4 cup of water. That's the only cup I don't have.
I want a little bit more.
Okay, a little bit more.
I want a little bit more.
Dori, we need to make brownies now. So we're gonna put a 1/4 cup of water in. Good job. And a 1/3 cup of vegetable. Oh, there's a little bit more. And
I'm gonna mix, okay?
we need to put the oil in and we need to put the egg in still. This is 1/3 cup, so we use this one. Do you want to put it in?
Yeah, I'll put it in.
Okay.
Not a lot, not a lot. Just a little bit.
Just a little bit? Okay. All right, you can put it in. 1/3 cup oil.
I'm gonna mix it now.
Almost, so you just need to add the egg, okay?
With the egg?
You want to crack it?
Yeah, I'll crack it.
Okay, it's going to be a little bit gooey.
Gooey? We didn't like us to do it.
You want me to do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Better wash your hands. Better wash your hands.
I have to wash my hands? Yeah, it's a little bit gooey. I put it in the compost.
I found a little point.
Okay, so
What if I found a little
You
part?
found the yellow part. Oh yeah, what's the yellow part called?
Yolk.
A yolk. Good job. Okay, so we put the egg in there, we put the oil in there, we put the water in there, we put the chocolate powder in there. Now what do we do?
Huh?
Now what?
Now what? Here. Mix it.
Mix it! Yeah!
Blowing. Okay, I found a little part in here. Oh, I see a little part. Okay.
You mix, mix, mix until it's all mixed together and dark brown.
Like what? Okay.
Everything has to get mixed together. Everything, you have to combine all the ingredients. It's looking good.
No, it's black now. It's black.
It's black?
Yeah, this is black and this is.
Uh-oh.
It's okay. It's okay. It's.
We'll clean it up. Yeah, it's okay. Keep going. Keep mixing.
Well, what black and gray make?
Dark gray.
What dark gray and black make?
Dark, dark gray.
What and blue make purple?
Red and blue make purple. That's right. I have a question for you. What do yellow and blue make?
Green.
Green. Good job. Okay, now we have to oil the pan. You want to help me?
I'm happy.
Because this is all mixed. This looks good. So let's oil. Oh, the oven is preheated. It's ready. Okay, and we have to put some oil on the pan. Okay, so put a little bit here. And you can spread it.
There?
Yeah, I want to use this and just spread the oil around.
Yeah.
I'm gonna grease the pan.
Here. No.
Good job. Okay, I'm just gonna move it around a little bit more so that the brownie mix doesn't stick to the pan. Okay, ready to put the brownie mix in the pan?
Yeah.
Okay.
You do it.
I do it? Okay, you wanna watch me?
Yeah, I'll watch you.
Okay. Here we go.
Wow. It's so big.
It's so big. Do you like brownies?
Yeah, I like brownies.
Do you love brownies?
Yeah, I love brownies. Oh, I got a question for you.
You have a question for me?
What, and what
What do red and white make? Do you know?
make
Pink.
pink?
This looks pretty good.
You order the electrical?
You're not supposed to do this because it has raw egg in it. Yeah, it says don't do this. But it's so good.
I didn't like electrical.
You don't like to lick the spoon? Time to put our brownies in the oven. Okay, here we go. And let's set a timer for 30 minutes. Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm happy.
Okay, try it. Tell me if you like it. Taste it. Is it good?
Yeah. Hot too.
It's a little bit hot. You can blow on it.
Let me eat a little bit.
Yum!